Why, hello, healthy beauties! Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Today is a new day and I just finished working, so it's almost 7 o'clock at this point. I am about to do several things. A, put some more aloe on my face because look, you guys, ooh, that's not looking too hot. So I'm going to be reapplying some aloe all over my face, and I'm also going to be redoing this whole room because I have a big desk which is out here that I want to show you guys. Used to be my husband's and now is going to go in my room. So this is the desk that I have to put in here because my little tiny desk for work is just way too tiny. Like, look how cramped I am in here. It's so small. So I have to basically move everything around. This is definitely staying here because my background is this and I need that as my background. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm also going to edit yesterday's vlog. It's gonna be super short, so by the time obviously this one is up, you guys have already seen this one. And yeah, so stay tuned. We're gonna revamp this whole room. All of this. Boom! We have our desk in. We had to take the door off, but now I need to figure out where these two are gonna go. I don't know. I don't really like them there. And the third one I actually placed inside here. So that's good. And then I have all these little papers that I used to take pictures of products right here. I gotta organize this because this is giving me like major OCD. Like, I don't know. And then this stuff too. This is a whole bunch of empties. I need to do an empties video. Maybe I'll do it after I clean this. But this I need to organize, find a place for it. And that now I have to transfer here. We've made progress. All right. So this is what the desk looks like when you walk in. We have the Christmas tree. I put my rack over here for clothes. And this, I still gotta figure out where to put. And for this one, I don't know, for now I'll leave it there even though I hate the way it looks. I have OCD, like I have one style of furniture over here. Then we have this other style. And then we have the IKEA style. And that one I stuck over there. So it's just, I don't know, I need to unify this. Either make this like white and then get another one of these even though I hate them. It's just so convenient to like store everything instead of having so many of these everywhere. Dilemmas. And then I have this rack, which is random. Okay, so I think we got it situated. On this side, we have my little workstation, clearly as you can see. It looks good. It's nice and big. I was so cramped on that side, and if you work all day, every day, you kind of need a space. This, I'm just going to leave it there for now. Like I said, eventually I'll probably get like an IKEA one. Over here, I have my little clothes station, so I can do like blog posts. And this is just a whole bunch of Christmas hats and headwear that I like to use for videos. So that's just laying here for now. But eventually, obviously, that always goes up in the attic. And then I have my little earrings right here. On this side, I have this, okay, which is this huge IKEA thing with makeup in it. Next to it is another one with makeup. The one that was on this side I placed over here. This is what my desk looks like. I have the lights, my computer, and then over here I have Sturkey Poo. I have the same thing mat. My brother got it for us for Christmas last year and it was the cutest thing. So I got that right there. And I still have like all this stuff that I don't know what to do with. So we have that, I think. I'm probably gonna throw that away. And then I gotta put this away, throw some of that stuff away. That TV I used to use to edit, but now I just don't have any room to put it over here. It's just so cramped, and I don't think I'm gonna get anything longer. I don't know. I think I'm gonna try to place these lights against the wall so that I have more room. And maybe what I can do is I can have like a rolling desk, go in and out, but I have to hang all of this stuff. All right, so I finished cleaning my room. Once again, today was one of those days where I just didn't really do much. So I'm going to place here the footage of me and my mom doing this Christmas tree. And we also made this cool little Mickey wreath. So yeah, I'm gonna insert that right now since today was pretty boring. I had to work and clean, and there's nothing much fun in that. So let's roll it. All right, you guys, we're going to start decorating. As you can see, we retired the Halloween stuff, and it's time to put Christmas stuff. We're gonna be placing the tree right here. I also have my Star Wars Christmas shirt on, because why not? We have Christmas music, and we are drinking beer with my mom, who's gonna be helping me. Salud, mommy! Cheers! But the fire is so delightful. All right, so we have here our Christmas tree. I like to keep it in these bins. They always kind of go on sale after the holidays, and they just really are convenient, so you don't have like crazy boxes that are flimsy and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up real quick. The lights are on. Look at, it's all connected. This year we're gonna be going with a green, red kind of theme, but like bright colors. So as you can see, we have these little cute snowmen. Also kind of like a snowman theme. We have these that are really adorable. And I really like these. Look how cute, the little snowman. We're currently putting the little bubbles in. These are actually really good to fill up a lot of the Christmas tree, so we like to put them in there. That way it looks like you have a whole bunch of things, but you don't really have to go buy a whole bunch of things. These are really cheap, and I reuse them. This was actually from, I don't even know when, but I use these, and I just put them in a plastic bag and then store them like that. Clearly there's the bag in the attic, and then whenever I'm gonna use them, I use them. But I don't throw them away. So while my mom is putting the bubbles on the Christmas tree, one of my coworkers who moved away to the other office in St. Louis gave me, and I freaking love it. It's the cutest ever. I mean, how adorable is that? So I'm gonna put it in this picture frame and hang it in here. Because obviously, this is my Mickey room, as well as my beauty room, as well as my work from home room. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. How cute! Look at it. It's adorable. All right, we put it up, you guys. Look how cute. It's adorable. And it's gonna be next to the Christmas tree. Cute. Now we're putting these little strings all over, and we're adding the flowers. Do my Mickey wreath. I got these at the dollar store. This was $1, this was $1, this was $1, and I stuck them together here, just intertwined them, and now we're gonna decorate it with this and place it on my Mickey wall. You guys, the wreath is up. Yay, we got it. We added a little bow, and now it's in great company. looked so cute. We put the star and these little twig thingies sticking out. Also over here, I put my S and my fa la 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 with Christmas trees. And then you guys, my masterpiece that me and my mom created, the Mickey wreath. And alas, this is my Mickey wall. How cute. I hope you guys really enjoyed that clip. Yeah, I'm going to bed. So, like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.